Bike by Thutaijagwi Patima Thaino Langma Choka Samutang Chanai Khoroksa Tei Khoroknwi Saktut Klaja Krak Shal Sandani Damsini Tamun Jarawo 208 number National Highway Road Chakowo Puskri Klaye Bike Motori Thutaijagwi Samutang Chanai Khoroksa no Patima Thaino Langma Choka Jogadish Mudok Umor Dokchi Bini no Khwai Thana Amtoli Amsayo Pokta Maruk Shawite bo Shawi Manka Bo Jamurani Amtoli Bukha Hingwi Thangi Tomoni Lahartei Ukolok Bike Phayi Thutaijagwi Mabai Patima Thaino Langma Choka All Pati Thaniwo Bike Motorjak Bir Mohan Munda Umor Baji Tebini Bukhaini Sajala Sushanto Munda Umor Dok Belekino Saktut Klaja Lahar Pati Mane Poktuma Mane Paisho Bakia Khoi Hankoni Horbatana Dindiaro Khoroktamno Khosawe Khoi Hankor Shakamnogo Telangi Thangake Khoroktamni Bishingo Khoroksa Jogadish Mudok Thwikha Shaurekha Tei Khoroknwi Belekino Saktut Klaja
Baba খবর করতে এখানে একটা অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয়েছে কোন জায়গায় এই হাইওয়ে দক্ষিণ জামুরা ক্রসিং এ হইছে আমরা গিয়া দেখছি যে একজন বইরা রইছে আর তারা দুইজন সাইডে
এর মধ্যে কি মারা গেছে নাকি
এর মধ্যে একজন স্পট ডেথ
আর দুইজন হসপিটালাইজড কয়টা নাগাদ হইছে ঘটনা এই
ধরেন না 7টা সোয়া 7টা
Welcome to the future of innovation, where minds meet technology and dreams become reality. ICFA University Tripura, your gateway to a world of endless possibilities. Our state-of-the-art campus is a melting pot of brilliance, a place where creativity and technology converge. From modern lecture halls to advanced laboratories, we provide an environment that fosters intellectual growth and hands-on learning. Our dedicated faculties are experts in their fields, passionate about mentoring the next generation of innovators. From adrenaline-pumping matches to our all-genre of sports, our campus is alive with the spirit of competition. Within the realms of Ikeria, emerging as artists whose creations resonate with the heartbeat of artistic expression. Making Ikeria the true epicenter of creativity, where innovation meets education. Join us on the journey to redefine what's possible. Your future begins here. ICFA University Tripura. Dream big.
Belaino koktuma kaham. EDC dugmali hatiwo manthogo tabuk malkhung painani she. Maruti Suzuki Arena, Pallavi Motors branch showroom katal fiyoge razakha dugmali hatiwo. Oromanthogo Maruti Suzuki company ni malkhung ro. Rondi Alto K10, Espresso, Wagoner, Celerio, Swift, Desire, Brezza, Ertiga, Eco, te Baleno by France. Offers eba discount botongo, zero down payment by. Te malkhung kasam by exchange klaye rang kisha by no malkhung pai manani sheb botongo. 4.99 lakh nishimi, 15 lakh rang morok ni malkhung manthogo. Minimum 70,000 eba 1 lakh te zero down payment rakheno. Malkhung katal pai manai. Hai khe lerita tongshidi tabuk no karangdi Maruti Suzuki Arena, Pallavi Motors, Khumulang branch by Nikuma, Maruti Suzuki Arena, Pallavi Motors Private Limited, TTAADC, Khumulang, Duk Malihati, Yakhilik Academy Rangnoganawa, Kokduk 8132801918, Ebakhe 69098635332.